Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alice, and today we are doing something a little different. I'm taking one of my old hand drawing and turning it into a digital illustration using Procreate. It's always so fun to see how an old design is coming to life in a new way with digital tools. The process feels so freeing, and I can make changes as I go. I love the flexibility that Procreate is giving me, and today I'm excited to show you how I'm transforming my hand drawing sketch into something modern and polished. I'm starting by importing my original sketch and adjusting the size. Then I'm beginning to draw the lines again. I'm keeping the original design, but it's really fun to clean up the lines and make them sharper. As I'm moving on to the coloring, I'm using the same colors I chose for the logo, but this time I'm adding some effects that I couldn't do with traditional media. The final result is always turning out more dynamic, which I'm really enjoying. So I'm not just transferring an old design into a new media, I'm giving it new life and the new possibilities. This picture is a watercolor painting I finished a few years ago. The main idea is a story set on a distant planet, and the character is a cute girl with rabbit eyes, and her features are inspired by rabbit-like beings. She has wings on her back so she can fly, and there's a lotus flower in the background. When I was getting ready to recreate this image in Procreate, I'm making some small changes. I'm keeping most of the elements the same, but adjusting some details. Alright, I'm almost done, so stay tuned for the final review. I'm hoping you're enjoying this transformation, and if you've even been thinking about taking your traditional art into the digital world, I'm really recommending give it a try. It's such a cool way to combine the old with the new. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Have a great day. Bye!